Today's video, Skittles Rainbow. What is Skittles and what is Rainbow? Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my returning subscribers. I want to say a very big thank you for always returning to watch my videos. So today I'll be doing Skittles Rainbow, part of my channel being creating educational content. So I decided to come up with this content for teachers or children that actually want to learn how to make rainbows, or they feel like they just feel like exploring things. So with today's video, Skittles Rainbow. What is Skittles and what is Rainbow? So I had to get these Skittles from the supermarket. I bought it for 700 naira. So this I had to buy two different shades, two different types. So this is the fruit Skittles. I hope you guys can see it. Fruit Skittles, and this is the crazy sour Skittles. So for me to carry out this experiment, I'll be needing a white plate. I had to just get this so as to pour each of this to this, so that you can be able to see the different colors each of the types comes with. So here I have my hot water to carry out this experiment. Okay guys, so I'm going to take each of them and pour into this plate so that we can see the different colors each of them comes with. Wow, this crazy sours has amazing colors. Okay, so that's it for the crazy sour Skittles. These are the wonderful colors it has. It has pink, it has lemon, or should I call it green, yellow, it has purple, it has orange. So these are the wonderful colors that this crazy sours comes with. Okay, this is the different colors of the fruit Skittles. These are the colors inside of the fruit Skittles. So this comes with this, and this comes with this. So I don't really think there is even much difference in the colors. Like, it's just almost the same thing. But I think it's almost the same thing. It's just almost the same thing. Just I think that this color, it's not in this color. And alright, so having seen the different colors in each of the Skittles, let's just jump right into the experiment. Okay, so for it to be more clearer, like so this is it. I still just have to do that. Okay, so I'm going to arrange this for the fruit Skittles. I'm going to arrange this colors by colors around this plate. Having arranged the Skittles on the white plate, I'm going to pour hot water in the center of the white plate. So let's see what happens. The warm water causes the Skittles to dissolve. Skittles is made up of sugar and food coloring. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, if you notice, initially the colors, they tend not to mix with each other because of what we call water stratification. Wow, this is beautiful. Whoa, wow, this is so beautiful, so lovely, and so amazing. Whoa. Okay, so with the fruit Skittles, I was able to get this. So as a teacher, as a student, you can try this at home. Teachers, you can do this in the classroom with your children so that they can learn more. Okay, science, it's so beautiful. Okay guys, so we'll move over to the crazy sour Skittles. So just like I did the fruit skittles, I'm going to arrange it on the flat plate. Can't you see these fruit skittles? It's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to arrange the crazy sour skittles on the white plate. Wow, this is so amazing. This is beautiful. Okay, there was something written at the back of, they say there are no two rainbows that are the same thing, neither can there be. So this is so beautiful and unique on its own. Wow. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the remaining skittles to randomly form a design on the plate. So let's watch and see. So having arranged them, I'm going to pour the hot water and let's see what we're gonna have. Can you see what I am seeing? Whoa, so beautiful, so lovely, so colorful. Whoa. Okay, so I'm going to form another random pattern with the remaining crazy sour skittles. So let's go there. So guys, can you guess what I'm trying to form? I'm trying to form a smiley face with the skittles so that I can see what I will have. So let's see the outcome of this pattern. Oh my god, can you see what I'm seeing? Do you guys notice that the ones that are around the plate are kind of like forming a circle? Guys, aren't this so beautiful? Like, I've shown you like 4 different patterns. You can yes, 4 different patterns. So I think with this I've actually come to the end of this experiment. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. You can try this at home. So guys, don't forget to like my video, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get amazing content, and also click on the notification bell to get notifications whenever I post new videos. So from me to you, it's a bye. Love you.